Hello everyone, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I would like to share my recipe for genuine Turkish delight with lemon and hazelnuts. If you liked my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Firstly, we are preparing the sherbet. I put 4 glasses of sugar in a pan. I then add 1.5 cups of water and a slice of lemon. I take the pan to the stove. I occasionally mix until it boils. When it starts boiling, I leave it to boil for 15 minutes on low heat. Then I take the lemon outside. I take the pan from the stove and leave it aside to cool down. To another pot, I put 400 milliliters of water, which is approximately 2 glasses. I then add 200 mg of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which is approximately 1 glass. Then I add 10 grams of cream of tartar. It's approximately 1 dessert spoon. Now I add 115 grams, which is approximately 1 glass of starch, and mix it nicely. We add cream of tartar to get the stiffness of real Turkish delight. It can easily be found in the grocery stores or online. Let's put it on the stove. And let's mix it constantly until it boils. When it starts to get rigid, I lower the heat. I will now pour the sherbet we have prepared before, gradually. Let's add it slowly and in a couple of steps, so that there is no lumping. As you see, I'm mixing it really quickly. After I add all the sherbet, I turn the heat up until it boils. Please stir your delight all the time, otherwise it will stick to the bottom of the pan. As it starts boiling, I continue to stir on medium-low heat. After baking for 30 minutes, as you can see, it got rigid. I continue to mix 15 more minutes. In total, I baked for 45 minutes. Like I said, we never stop mixing, or it will quickly stick to the bottom. At the end of the 45 minutes, I add 100 grams of ground hazelnuts and mix it up. I turn the stove off now. I'm going to use a little rectangular Pyrex. I oil it all over with a really small amount of oil. Then let's pour our delight into the Pyrex. Look, I want to show you my pot. It certainly didn't stick to the bottom since I constantly mixed. When the delight cools down to room temperature, let's cover it up with plastic wrap and put it into the fridge. We will keep it in the fridge for 1 night. To cover the delights, I mix 2 full tablespoons of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of starch. You can also use coconut if you wish. The next day, we remove the delight from the mold. I sprinkle the powdered sugar, starch mixture so that I can remove it easier. I remove the edges with a knife. Let's slice our delights at any size we want. After slicing our delights, I'm going to cover them with powdered sugar and starch mixture. And then I'm putting them on the serving plate. By the way, instead of lemon juice, you can use orange juice or pomegranate juice. You can also make a plain delight with water only. It tastes amazing. You can flavor your delights with any fruit you want. Our Turkish delights are wonderful, as you see. I suggest you to try it and I hope you enjoy. I look forward to your likes and comments. To be notified about my recipes, please don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you for watching my video.